Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use row limiting clause in select statement. We have here a practice: write a query to display department ID, department name of all departments in location 1700, ordered by department ID in ascending order. Then and limit the rows by retain only 4 rows after skipping 3 rows. Let us first solve this part here. We want to display the department ID. So this is department ID, department underscore name from table departments, where location underscore ID equal 1700. We want to filter only the departments located in location 1700. If you don't memorize the columns in departments table, you can go here to departments table, and here we go. We have for columns department ID, department name, manager ID, and location ID. And last thing here, order the data by using department ID in ascending order. So we can use here order by 1. That means order by the first column in the select statement. If you put here 2, that means order by the second column in the select statement. If you put 3, it will return an error because there is no third column in the select statement. Here we want to order the data by department ID, so we can use either department ID or you can use 1. That means the first column in the select statement, which is department ID. So this is the first part of the practice. We can highlight the select statement and click run here. And this is the output, the department ID and department name of all departments in location 1700. But here in the practice, we want to limit the records retained by the select statement. We want to limit the rows by retain only 4 rows after skipping 3 rows. So we want to skip 3 rows, skip these 3 rows, and then retain the next 4 records. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So after completing the practice, we expecting the output will be only department ID 100, 110, 120, and 130 only. Skip 3 records and return the next 4 records from 100 to 130. So here we can use row limiting clause. We want to skip 3 rows, offset 3 rows, and return 4 rows only. Fetch next 4 rows only. After completing the select statement, highlight and click run. So as expected, department 100, 110, 120, and 130. So in this practice, we learned how to use row limiting clause and select statement. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.